Before you pull the trigger on purchasing mobiqode, there are a few important things you need to know. This software can really elevate your digital marketing game, but it's essential to understand the key factors before diving in. Stick around to the end because there are a few hidden features and benefits that could completely change the way you approach your campaigns. Let's start by addressing the first thing. mobiqode is an all-in-one solution for marketers, but it's not the only player in the game. There are many similar tools out there like HubSpot or ClickFunnels, but mobiqode stands out for its flexibility. It combines several tools into one platform, which means you don't have to juggle multiple subscriptions and dashboards. The key here is its integration capabilities. If you're using other platforms for CRM or email marketing, mobiqode can easily connect with them, saving you a lot of time and headaches. But what sets it apart is how seamless these integrations are, something that can be a major pain with other tools. Next thing to consider is the learning curve. Now, I know what you're probably thinking. Another tool with a steep learning curve? But mobiqode actually does a solid job of making it user-friendly. Unlike other complex software like Salesforce, mobiqode offers a pretty intuitive interface. Yes, there's a bit of a learning curve, but nothing like what you'd experience with other major competitors. Plus, there's a ton of support material, from tutorials to customer service, which makes the transition smoother than you might expect. The third thing you'll want to understand is the pricing structure. mobiqode offers a range of plans that scale as your business grows. But it's crucial to know that they don't just nickel and dime you like some other platforms. They provide clear pricing and don't charge extra for features you might need. Unlike platforms like Leadpages or GetResponse, which can surprise you with hidden fees as your needs evolve, mobiqode's pricing remains transparent and predictable. Moving on to the fourth thing, automation. mobiqode excels here. If you've used any marketing automation software, you know it can either be a breeze or an absolute nightmare. What mobiqode does well is its workflow builder. It allows you to automate everything from email campaigns to customer segmentation, and it's surprisingly easy to set up. You don't need to be an expert to create powerful automation flows that save you hours every week. Compare that to something like ActiveCampaign, where the automation setup can often feel overwhelming if you're not experienced. Next up, the customer support. mobiqode's support is hands down one of its strongest selling points. If you've ever tried getting help from other marketing platforms, you know how frustrating it can be to wait on support or get generic responses. mobiqode is known for its responsive and personalized customer service. They offer 24/7 support via chat and email, and you can expect to get a real person helping you out. No more canned responses. This is something that other platforms like MailChimp or Kajabi often fall short on, leaving you feeling stuck when you need help the most. The sixth thing you should know is how it handles analytics. Data is crucial in marketing, and mobiqode doesn't disappoint. The platform provides detailed analytics on everything from customer engagement to conversion rates. What's impressive here is the depth of the data without making it overly complicated to interpret. If you're using something like Google Analytics, you'll find mobiqode's analytics much more accessible and actionable, especially for someone who's not a data scientist. And the final thing, mobiqode's scalability. As your business grows, you're going to want a platform that can scale with you. One of the things that makes mobiqode stand out is that it's designed with growth in mind. Whether you're a small business or an enterprise-level company, mobiqode has the infrastructure to handle the demands of scaling up without losing performance or user experience. Unlike some competitors, which tend to slow down as you add more users or data, mobiqode is built for long-term growth and ensures that it can keep up with your expanding needs. Now, if you're thinking about trying mobiqode, here's the best part. You can try it completely free from the first link below. And by clicking that link, you're not only getting access to a free trial, but also exclusive benefits that you won't find anywhere else. If you're serious about leveling up your marketing, mobiqode is definitely worth exploring. Click that first link and get started today.